Jai Gurudev. We meet again, Professor VKJ with you once again. So in the last video, I had said about the space element and the fire element. Now, the 5 elements are working within ourselves. When it goes out of balance, any one element, when it moves out of balance from yogam, we are moving to rogam. This is what Charaka Samhita, Sushruti, the first doctor, says. The concept of immunity, building the strength to withstand any external attack from a bacteria or virus, depends upon the 5 elements, how well they are balanced. So when one is in yogam, you are having bhogam, you enjoy life. வாழ்க்கை வளமா வாழ்றதுக்கு தான் யோகமே இருக்கு. Whatever enjoyment till date you have gone through is because நீங்க யோகத்தில் இருக்கிறீங்க. சரி, இந்த எலிமெண்ட் பேலன்ஸ் ஆகாம எப்படி கொண்டு வருது? அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு பாயிண்ட் I have to tell you. See, the modern medical sciences, நான் உங்களை குறை சொல்லல, I am not bringing them down. When it comes to a surgery or a quick fixture, an operation or putting the stitches, the modern medical system is the best on the planet. However, when it comes to the issue of building immunity, when it comes to the issue of creating happiness, joy, good health through immunity, power, அந்த இடத்துல, in that spot, modern medicines don't rise to the occasion. I would personally, from my experience, I would say they give us a second-class citizen treatment. Whereas in Charaka Samhita, Sushruti, what he says, don't kill any cell. Don't kill any cell. Killing a cell is against the philosophy of Sushruti, who has given the treatise Charaka Samhita. Why he says that? He says the body is a system. When I say it's a system, there's a metabolic system which has anabolism, that is building up, and catabolism, which is destroying or recreation. This system knows how to take care of the bacteria. The liver knows it. The lungs know it. The whole system, they are all integrated. You're seeing me. So when you see me, what system you see? You see the skin, then you see the muscular system. Are you able to see it? No. But you know, as a human being, within me, there is a muscular system, skeletal system, circulatory system, digestive system, optical system, so on and so forth. Each system is integrated with one another. They function as a whole. My skeletal system is not 2 feet away from me. It is embedded within. So Sushruti's concept, the basic philosophy of treatment, he says, a portion or one particular system which is getting out of imbalance will have its repercussion, will have the ripples in the other systems too. So this is where the ancient system differs from the modern medical. Because in modern medicine, they have come to the point of specialization. I have to record this and place this on record. I was on a chat with a couple of professionals during this lockdown period, 2 of them from Europe and 1 from US. I was surprised to note that a person who is a specialist in, putting on the ventilator for a person, he says, I am a ventilator specialist. I go for that. I do not know in depth into how a lung or the lung cells function. A respiratory specialist, or an ENT, he says, well, I am a specialist in this area. I know about respiration, the lower, the upper, the cells and how it happens with the lung and other things. But don't ask me about the ventilator. I don't know. Ventilator is another department. So in this the problem comes. So are you able to get what I'm saying? Please give your comments. We will discuss. We are ready to correct ourselves. The idea is we have to move towards true knowledge. So now let us swing back. How do you build immunity? The immunity eppadi valathukka mudiyum according to the ancient system. So Panchabhuta Ragasyam, the 5 elements, you know what they are. How do you handle each element to build the immunity in your body? In the first place, why do they go out of balance? They go out of balance because there is a wear and tear. We exist. So adukku we will come later on. Now the earth element, how do you bring the earth element into balance? There are so many things, but since time is short and you want to build your immunity very fast, I will give you the secret. Earth is nothing but what we consume as food. The body has grown from a small baby, as what Guruji was saying. From a small baby, it has become so big. So how did this body become so big? It is the food that we have consumed. It takes many names as protein, vitamins, carbs, so on and so forth. But fundamentally, they are organic, which means carbon, hydrogen with something else. So this food, when we take it, the secret to immunity is at the food level. No watching TV, no cell phone. Look at the food, take the aroma of the food, look at it with your eyes, relish the food, and chew your food very well. Just like how a cow will go on chewing, chew it. 50% digestion should happen with your chewing itself. Chew the food very well. Okay? And relish the food. Have your consciousness on the food that you are eating. Look at the plate that you are eating. Be able to get the smell. When cooking is happening in the kitchen, you hear, no? They say in marketing, don't sell the sizzler, sell the sizzle. So that feel, so psychologically, optics, aroma, and the taste as you chew, and then you swallow the food. There are so many ways to handle the earth element, but this is the primordial way by which you can cooperate with your body to build the immunity, because the saliva breaks down the food, the chewing breaks it down. So when it goes into the stomach, it is easily assimilated by the intestines. Okay. So earth element, I have given you a point. Chew your food. No TV. Why no TV? You can watch. Don't watch the news because you feel bad. So when you're eating the food, the focus should be on the food, not on the TV la paathitu and the varakudiya emotions paakatla artham kediyadu. Okay. Next, water. The previous video la water patti sollen. I gave you a couple of things. So water being the second element, how should you consume water? Personally, I can tell you, more than 20 years back, I was having a few digestion issues, and then till one master taught me how to handle and take water. Since then, there is no gelucil, no Diogen, and the question of GERD, gastro, the reflex, that comes up, and then you get a heartburn and stuff like that. Adu poidum. Eppadi appdin pathinganaka, simple. The pancreas and the stomach gets, it generates the digestive juices. Okay. The liver secretes the bile. The pancreas secrete there's a digestive enzymes that forms in the stomach. And the kur, you will get that sound. So when you are hungry, eat. And when you are hungry, do not dilute your stomach with a lot of water or juices. This is the secret. Don't dilute it. Which means you can take 1 sip or 2 sips just to, lubricate your esophagus, your food pipe. So the water is just taken, just like when you make chapati, the maavu pesimodhu enna pannuvom. You have to add that much water so that you get a good consistency, so that the water should not dilute your acidity or your gastric juices strength. This is the concept. Now, digestion takes 45 minutes, 60 minutes. And yes, you have given a belch, you had little water. See, evlo water, how much water, we can't say it, because it all depends upon your individuality. You have a unique fingerprint. So you will have to feel it, how much you have to take. Okay. Not much to dilute the gastric juice. That's the point. But once after 45 minutes, 60 minutes, you feel that the digestion is complete. You're given the time. If you're a young guy, half an hour it gets digested. Elderly people, 1 hour. So once the digestion has happened, now between the food, that between breakfast to lunch, there is a time after digestion. Between lunch to dinner, there's a time. In this time, நீங்க வந்து நிறைய water, நிறைய juices you have to take. More than 72% of our body molecules are water. So they say you have to have at least 7 liters of water per day. So எவ்வளோனா you can take, don't hesitate to go to the loo to take a leak. So in between, you are flushing your system with water, juices, coconut water, whatever, etc., etc. But during meals, you are going to moderate the supply of water. These are the 2 powerful techniques among the 5. I'm going to come in the next video about how to handle the air, fire, and space for building your immunity. But for this video, I am giving you the earth element and the water element. Okay. Now don't forget to subscribe for Hope 18, a channel which is hopefully yours, built for you. We are going to be here. There's a huge team that is forming up. Hope, heaven on planet Earth. That was the dream of all the Maharishis and the Gurus. Please join with us. Press the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Have a great day.